Today, we will be discussing how to assemble bottom wind roller guides on a Series 20,000 hose reel. First, unbox your roller guide assembly and make sure all the pieces are there. To begin assembling the roller guides, insert the vertical rollers and bolts through the guide arms. Then insert the bolt from the bottom with the threads coming out of the top of the bracket. Once assembled, mount one of the guide arms to the appropriate holes in the base using the supplied hardware. Set the other guide arm to the side for now. Next, secure the threaded rod with a clamp near its center. It is normal for the thread to get slightly damaged during this step, but it will be covered by the roller. Thread the jam nut onto the rod approximately 1 inch from the end. Next, slide the threaded rod into a roller, then insert it into the holes on the mounted guide arm. Place a rubber washer over the threaded rod on the outside of the roller and install the acorn nut. Using a wrench, hold the jam nut in place and tighten the acorn nut until the jam nut tightens up to the guide arm bracket. Next, insert the threaded rod into the other guide arm. Then install the guide arm to the base, securing it and the roller. Last, install the remaining jam nut on the threaded rod. Now you're ready to use your bottom wind roller guides on your Series 20,000 hose reel. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.